Hi everyone, this is Smruti. Welcome to QA automation classes. So in the last class we have seen how to create the freestyle project. So we tried to create two different types of the project. One was invoking a batch command and another one was uh, through the pom.xml, invoking the pom.xml through the Maven command line argument and running the automation scripts. Okay, so that was in the local machine, right? So today we're going to do a Maven related project. Okay, so if you log into the Jenkins, right? So let's go to the Jenkins. This is the home page. Okay, after logging in you'll get this page. So now if you click on this new item, right, so you see different types of the item, right? So freestyle, pipeline, multi configuration project folder, multi branch pipeline, organization folder, but we cannot create the what the Maven related project here. So before that we need the uh, plugin for the Maven. So go to the manage Jenkins. Okay, first let's download that plugin, Maven plugin, and go to the plugins and updates. Okay, available plugin. Okay, so now let's say Maven integration plugin. Just type Maven and hit enter. See, you have Maven integration, so click on this one and then install. So let's wait for the installation to finish and then we can restart the Jenkins when installation is complete and no jobs are running. Okay, so Maven integration is installing. Installation is done, loading plugin extension and restarting Jenkins. Once Jenkins is restarted, then we will again go to the create job, right? So new item, we'll try to create a job. Now let's see if this time this option is coming there or not. Okay, so we need to wait for some more time. It's gonna take some time, guys, so we need to be patient and wait till it completes the execution. We can wait. Okay, so now it is restarting. Okay, please wait while Jenkins is getting ready to work. The installation has been done and I have selected to restart the Jenkins option, and now the Jenkins is getting restarted. Okay, so let's go available plugin, Maven integration, right? So it should have been here actually. Okay, so in the installed plugin, if you go to installed plugin, now try Maven over here, Maven integration. See, Maven integration plugin, it is already there and it is already enabled. Okay, cool. So go to dashboard. So now click on new item. Okay, so now can you see there is a new option that is shown here, freestyle project, and below freestyle project and above pipeline there is a project called as the Maven project. Okay, so what exactly is a Maven project? We have added that Maven integration plugin because of which we are able to see this option. Okay, so now here we can give one more name, right? So local Selenium framework demo Maven, I'll say MVN something. Okay, so now select the Maven project and click OK. It's gonna take some time. Okay, so job is getting created and it will ask us to configure the job, because here also we have to give the location of the pom and command line argument, right? This job is a Maven job type created to run to sorry created sorry created to run local form.xml. Okay, so only difference, the earlier one was a what you can say, earlier one was a freestyle project, and this is a Maven type of project. Okay, so now go to the build steps, build. Okay, so in the build you can do one thing. Okay, so in the build there are few things we need to do. First we have to configure, right? So what to configure? So now in the steps there is something called the root palm, right? So now we have to give the root palm location here. So I think I have already opened that palm location, right? So copy. Okay, it's copied. So go here. Okay, and slash palm.xml. Okay, goals and options. Okay, so goals and options we can give from here. Edit configuration. Okay, I want to run it from the Chrome, so I can give that. Okay, and that is the build step. Okay, step what we have. So okay, this is the build step. Okay, and I don't have any pre or post build step. I'll say just apply and save. Okay, now let's say build now. A new build should kick in. Okay, now click on that one, go to the console output and see. So parsing palms, it is trying to identify the palm. Okay, this is the command line argument, and this is your palm.xml location. Okay, so it is able to find both of them. Okay, executing the Maven and scanning for the project. Okay, so it's going to building the project. Let's wait for some more time. So started. Okay, running test suite. Okay, yeah, browser info passed from the command line is Chrome. Okay, so it started its execution. Okay, so if you see the test-ng test1 and test-ng test2, two instances of the browser has been opened and they're going to get executed. Okay, okay, the execution already started. Okay, so almost done. So you can see the build is success. Okay, so execution is done and build is success. So what's the difference between the what we did last time and what we did on now? Okay, so what's the difference between them? So if you see here, right, so the earlier remark that the earlier job that we created, that was a freestyle project, and this one was a Maven type of the project. Okay, so that's the only difference, but it basically invoking the same bomb.xml with the command line argument and executing the test cases. Okay, so yeah, that's all to this session, guys. If you guys are really enjoying these sessions, I'll request you to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any doubts, please put them in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Have a good day. Thank you. Bye bye.